What are unit, integration, and E2E tests in CI/CD? Imagine building a puzzle. Each piece needs to fit perfectly before you see the full picture. That's similar to how software testing works in continuous integration and delivery pipelines. When teams develop software in the cloud, they're relying on automated tests to catch issues early and keep everything running smoothly. These tests come in three main types: unit, integration, and end-to-end tests. Unit tests are like checking each puzzle piece individually. They focus on small parts of the code, like functions or methods. The goal is to verify that each piece works correctly on its own. These tests are super quick and requiring little setup, so they run first after the code is committed. For example, in cloud environments, unit tests might check if a specific function in an AWS Lambda or Google Cloud function returns the right result. Having high coverage with unit tests helps catch bugs early, making fixing them easier and cheaper. Next are integration tests, which look at how those puzzle pieces fit together. They verify if different parts of the application can communicate properly. For example, testing if your microservices can send data to each other or if your app can connect to a database. These tests are more complex because they need multiple components running at the same time, often in a test environment that mimics real cloud setups. Usually, integration tests run after unit tests pass. They catch issues like service connection problems or data flow errors that unit tests might miss. For instance, you might test if your Azure app service can access Azure storage or if your Google Cloud Compute Engine can connect to a Cloud SQL database. Finally, end-to-end tests simulate real user actions from start to finish. Think of it as walking through the entire puzzle as a user would. These tests run complete workflows like signing up, making a purchase, or sending notifications. They ensure all parts of the system work together seamlessly. E2E tests are the slowest and most expensive because they need a full environment that closely resembles production. They often run after integration tests in a staging environment that mirrors the live cloud setup. For example, deploying your app to a test AWS account or Google Cloud project, and then running scripts that mimic user behavior across all connected services. In cloud-based CI/CD pipelines, all three test types are essential. The testing pyramid suggests many fast, cheap unit tests at the bottom, fewer integration tests in the middle, and a small number of thorough E2E tests at the top. This setup balances speed with coverage, helping teams deliver updates quickly without risking stability. Cloud providers like AWS Azure and Google Cloud offer tools such as Code Build, Azure DevOps, and Cloud Build to automate these tests. Automation tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and CircleCI orchestrate the entire process, running tests in sequence, reporting results, and rolling back deployments if needed. In the world of cloud infrastructure, choosing the right tests and automating them is key. They help catch bugs early, ensure your application works well across different services, and provide confidence before releasing updates. Whether you're working on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, implementing these testing layers keeps your software reliable and your deployment process smooth.